books. In fact, Dave and Andrew Waterman will be autographing some books. If you want to get copies of some of these books later today, there'll be a RISC-V table during the reception. And they're very good books. The computer organization and design has been updated to have a RISC-V edition, you see here. And the reader companion with the Mona Lisa cover is quite a handy reference. And in fact, we have, I do not want to butcher this too badly, but esta tradición de posible gracias a la colaboración entre UC Berkeley y Universidad Galileo Guatemala. And we have with us Ali Lemus and Eduardo Corteño, I think, in the room, right?
Ali, yes. Ali Lemus.
Ali.
Gracias, sí, sí.
So, thank you to those guys for giving us that book is available now at the RISC-VBook.com site that Dave and Andrew put up as a free download in Spanish. So it's amazing to see the interest and traction that we're getting. So thank you very much for that, guys.